guys, I'm back. Today we're going to be doing kind of like a Halloween inspired type of video. I know Halloween was yesterday, but I was so tired. Like, I know that's like I was literally sleeping the whole day. But yeah, Halloween is today for me. Today we're going to be doing a costume inspired by Layla from Buffalo 66. If you've seen that movie, I feel like that's the only costume that I could do since I bought no costume. But yeah, let's get into it. Okay, first I'm going to start with some concealer. Don't mind the music in the back if you can hear it. Next, I'm going to add some of this light blush. Don't mind the lighting, it's a bit dark. Yeah. I'm just going to add a little bit of highlight. Okay, next I'm going to add some loose face powder. Okay, now it's time for the best part, the eyeshadow. She wears like this iconic blue eyeshadow, so I'm going to be using this shade because it matches more. Okay, now we're gonna add the eyeliner. I'm gonna do this off camera because eyeliner is actually so hard to do. Okay, my eyeliner is not the best today. I feel like I did. Actually, it's not that bad. But now we're gonna add some mascara. Okay, I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. No lip liner today. I'm gonna add a little bit of this lip gloss because it kind of matches like the lip color she has. I'm gonna add a little more concealer in some places. We're almost done. I'm gonna add a little more blush. Okay, the look is done. Now we're gonna add some setting spray. Okay, now it's the hair. She has blonde hair, which I clearly don't. I didn't buy a blonde wig, so we're gonna use my hair. It's kind of hard because her hair is like pretty shorter than my hair, but we're gonna try our best. Okay, the lighting is a bit bad right now because I have to turn off the light to plug in the straightener. I'm just waiting for it to get hot and then we'll try with the hair. Okay, I'm gonna just take my hair and then... Okay, now I'm gonna add some spray. I'm gonna use some of this spray to hold it still. Okay, this is a hair. This is the best I can do. Now let's try to recreate the outfit. Hey guys, here's the full look. I think the makeup looks pretty good. I love the eyeshadow. Here's the fits. I don't have blue tights. I know she wears blue tights in the movie, but I don't have blue tights. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. This was a very last minute costume idea. Happy late Halloween to anyone who's still celebrating. We're kind of close to 1,000 subscribers, so please subscribe if you're new. Anyways, thanks for watching and keep up for more.